If you need to change your TikTok username quickly without waiting for 30 days to pass, then watch this video until the very end, because I have a little trick for you. So if you've changed your username on accident on TikTok and you want to change it again, TikTok has a 30-day limit. But let's bypass this limit by opening the TikTok app on our iPhone or our Android phone. It doesn't matter which phone you have because the steps are the same. Hop over to your profile page, and we now have to go over to our TikTok settings page. Click on these 3 lines at the top right corner, then Settings and Privacy. This is going to open another page in our app, and your job is to scroll all the way down towards the bottom until you see this option called Support. Or if you're on an older version of the TikTok app, it's going to say Report a Problem, so tap on that. And it's going to open a menu where we will have a bunch of articles. Use this search bar at the top, type Change Username, and then tap on this article that's called Unable to Change Username. This is going to tell you that you need to wait 30 days. But let's click on this thumbs down option under the Was This Helpful? And then a red Need More Help button will appear on which I'm going to click on. They've opened this AI chatbot, so follow my steps carefully here. You're going to write out your problem to the chatbot. Tell him that you accidentally changed your TikTok username and you need to change it before waiting for the 30 days limit. When you send them the message, you will get an AI-generated response. And this won't help us. Instead, tell them that you need an agent, and then they should give you the option to submit a ticket and send a message to a real human. So tap on Submit a Ticket, and then write out the same exact message. You want to explain what the problem is, and ask them to help you as soon as possible. When you submit a message, you're going to wait for around 24 to 48 hours until they see the message and respond to you. And they'll hopefully help you and allow you to change your TikTok username right away, and you won't have to wait for the 30 days limit to pass. If this video helped you with this issue, then please leave a like on it and subscribe to App Tutor for more similar videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.